Hi, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
Here you can see the same logo from yesterday's video. The only difference is I've gone through and created a series of splines that kind of traces the logo. The goal for today is to make this sketch into something that can be moved around without changing how it looks and to allow it to be placed in other part files easily. It's a bit easier to see if I delete the image in the background, and since the image was just used for reference and there isn't anything actually being tied to it, deleting it won't cause any problems with the rest of the sketch. Now I'm just going to come down here and box select all of these splines. Using this small window that comes up by the mouse, I'll select the button with a star on it to make a new block. Since those splines are all pre-selected, they populate this box and I can just click OK. Now as a block, these aren't really separate segments anymore, so if I grab a line and try to drag, the whole queue comes along. If we wanted to, say, use this block as a logo to put into other parts, we can save it out as a separate file. All you need to do is select the block from the tree, click Save as a block, give it a location, name it, and hit save. Let's test it by opening a fresh part. Let's just use the basic part template. I can come up to the command search bar and search for blocks. This will bring up a toolbar which has an option to insert a block. I'll click on that, choose the plane I want to place it on, and then I'll come over and browse for the block that I want to use. When that comes in, it'll give me the ability to place that anywhere on the plane that we selected. Next, I'll show you how you can take a multi-body part and save it out into multiple, separate parametric part files.
Thanks for watching. Contact us with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.